Hello, today we're going to be talking about how to create preventive work orders. Under recurring work, we can create recurring work by clicking on this. After clicking on it, as you can see, we can create recurring task. In order to create brand new recurring tasks, first we're going to have to choose our work order type. This can be the calibration, inspection, safety. After choosing the work order type, we're going to be choosing our craft. I'm going to go with, for this example, electrician, for example. Then we're going to choose our priority level. So it can be high, highest, medium, low. Just going to go with high. Then we can choose who's going to be this lead assigned to. After choosing that, we're going to be writing the work requested. After that, we can choose our shift. It's going to be first, second, or third shift. And we can put our estimate historical analysis with hours and minutes. And lastly, we can send notifications, emails to the user, whoever we choose. Below that, we have the assets. Under assets, we can add an asset by clicking on here. For example, under asset finder, we can choose, for example, let's go with pump 004. By clicking on it, as you can see here, we can choose the specific asset. After clicking on it, this will update our assets. We can also trigger it, right? We can use a trigger methods. We can do this by date, utilization, or for both. After that, we can create next work order dates before this date due. And we can also create next work order units before due. As you can see on the left, create future work orders to be due. And on the right, we have the create future work orders to be due. All right, so below that, we can choose the only trigger work orders during this month. And on the right, we can choose the only trigger work orders on this days. Lastly, under that, we have the procedures and parts. Again, we can add a brand new record by clicking on here. We can choose the procedure with each procedure has their own procedure ID, their description, and the number of steps. Below that, we can, do the same thing with the parts as well. We can add a new record by clicking on here, and we can, under the item finder, we can select that specific part that we want to. After finishing all this recurrent task details, we can hit on create, and that will create our brand new recurrent task. Thank you.